Wait.
Här har vi Arvid.
Yes, hello. My name is Arvid and I am
Han
from
spelar
Sweden.
Dota.
Nej, watch out. Look now, this is my friend's iPod Touch. And, well, he got a lot of games. But I'm gonna now describe to you how you play iDota. iDota is a very good game. It's a Dota copy from the famous game Warcraft 3 on the famous computer made by Bill Gates. See, and now we're gonna play here, and no, wait, now a second. I'm gonna play on hard because I'm so very good, but you should play on easy. But I'm gonna play on hard. Yes, 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 yes.
He is so beautiful.
Yes, I am.
Me!
Now the game is loading, but I gotta describe to you how you gotta play. Look now, you're gonna go down there, and then you will take this skill, and then you will do like that. And then you will play out some of these cows. Yes, because I mean, stop playing around. Yes, now it's not very so very good.
Bögarna brusar, Arvid.
But,
Bögarna brusar, bögarna brusar.
still,
Bögspel, lira CSV.
Look now, now will go out and do this famous thing called Creepa, and there's a lot of hands right here, but I don't
Fuck
care.
you, YouTube.
I don't care about the hands because this is my. Yes, now something very very bad did happen, so I will just resume the game like that. And can Benny stop so I can describe for the YouTubers how the iDota game is working. And look now I have starting to get out some guys. This is my tanks. Yes, thank you, Benny. This is my tanks because I am a famous spellcaster. So I am a ranged guy. So I stand like here.
One stupid motherfucker.
Yes, that is my Sony Ericsson mobile.
Som inte syntes.
Yes, there it
There we
is.
have some more.
Yes, and look here. Now I am do. Oh fuck!
Men vad fan!
I forgot about sending guys, but then I remembered that I shouldn't send guys because guys are bad. You should send women, but the women are so very bad in this game.
Shame on them.
Shame. Can Benny stop?
Med sin snopp.
Look now, now I got a lot of money, and I just need like 3,000. Then I can buy this upgrade, that upgrade, and just by doing that, my guys will be very much better than the other team's guys. But now my hero died, so I am losing.
Bestäm vilken jävla reklam vi ska ha. Hur svårt kan det vara? Försvinn jävla Dr. Pepper.
Yes, and I am playing on the Apple iPod Touch, and it's my friends, but this is my.
Nu är det PM
look.
också.
I can, yes, very nice. But still, look here. Now should Benny stop? Now they are attacking my base because I'm a stupid son of a bitch and aren't there with my hero because he is dead. And look, if you wanna look at the opponent's base, you just do like this. Yes, that's very nice. And if you don't wanna do like this, you can just forget about it. Yes. Anyhow, so my hero is soon back, and my tower is dying. Yes. Oh. Now my hero is back. And my tower is dying. So because I got a spellcaster, I need to practice a lot. Because now my tower dies. Look, it didn't die. You didn't see that. I am very good at this game. Oh my god. Well, my hero died again, so this ain't going so very great.
Gay.
And now, no.
Du är fan sämst på att göra film.
I am very good at doing this.
Du är sämst på
vi kan
tutorials
då,
by